Okay, before going any further, I just discovered a bug. So I registered with a new user, and this user obviously doesn't have the admin role by default. So when I logged in, then I saw this error. Cannot read property index of undefined. And this happened in auth.isInRole method. So here's the isInRole method of the auth service. We're using index of on this roles field. Now, initially, I set this roles to an empty array to prevent an exception like that. So if you scroll up, look, we're initializing roles to an empty array. Then how come it became undefined? Well, we have to look at other places where we're setting this field. So if you scroll down, in this method, read user from local storage, we're decoding the JSON web token and then trying to access this roles property. And we use that value to set the roles field of the auth service. Now, because here we don't have any roles for this user, this will return undefined. So a more reliable way to implement this feature is to set this to an empty array if the result of this expression is null or undefined. Now, chances are we might still have more bugs in this application, so I'm not promising bug-free application at the end of this course. In fact, there is no such a thing as bug-free software. As you write code, as you modify your code, as you build new features, chances are you create new bugs. If you have a comprehensive suite of automated tests, you can catch these bugs before releasing your software. And that's something I've covered in my Angular testing course on Udemy. So if you want to learn about writing unit and integration tests for your Angular apps, I highly recommend you to watch that course.